Whoa.
That's a cool fish he got. What is that? Why not a snake?
Yeah. Whoa.
What's that?
That's an eel.
No, Dad, I get that one. Give me a minute. I got that one.
No, don't touch this one, puppy. This one's not fun, okay?
One.
Yeah, this one's not fun.
So that's
Whoa.
mine.
Oh.
That's mine. That's not you. That's mine.
Relax, homie. I'm trying to help you. Slimy as fuck, bro.
How about ahead, bro?
Fuck you, I ain't touching shit. Stop. I swear to God, we'll leave you on the hook, bro. Yeah, fuck you too.
Stop.
Move back, Mata, move back.
Let me get the thing to hold the fish with teeth.